Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to convert small letters to capital letters in Excel. To start, open Excel and check the text to convert. First, let's use a formula. To do this, in a cell, enter equal followed by the function on the screen and select the cell to convert. When you press enter, you will see that the text is converted to uppercase. Now simply drag this formula to the other cells so that everything is converted to uppercase. Another option that Solvetic offers you is to directly write the text in capital letters in a cell. After that, in the editing group, you are going to click on Fill and then click on Flash Fill. Automatically, all cells will be in uppercase. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.